Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in here using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition two digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. We are going to start with the lesson addition two digits. The lessons we're going to talk about today are add multiples of 10, add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping, add a two digit and a one digit number with regrouping, add two two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is add multiples of 10. Add 40 plus 10. So 40 and 10, they both have one zero at the end, right? So you need to write them down one above the other. So you need to add the ones first. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 40 plus 10 equals 50. The correct option is 50. The correct option is 50. Let's just start with the test questions. 30 plus 30. That is for 30 plus 30. Let's just write them down one above the other, right? Now add the digits that are at the ones position. They are 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Now add the digits that are at the tens position. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. The correct option is 60. Option number 3 is the correct option. 20 plus 70, which is the correct option? That is 70 plus 20 is 90. It is option number 3 is the correct option. 20 plus 70 is 90. Option number 3 is the correct option. 50 plus 30, which is the correct option? That is 50 plus 30 equals 80. Option number 2 is the correct option. 20 plus 20, which is the correct option? 'That is 40. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. 50 plus 40, which is the correct option? 'That is 90. The correct option is 90. 30 plus 20, which is the correct option? 'That is 50. The correct option is option number 3. 50 plus 10, which is the correct option? That is 60. Option number 1 is the correct option. 60 plus 20, which is the correct option? That is 80. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. That is add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping. 11 plus 3. So you have to start with 11 and count up to 3. So that is 11, 12, 13, 14. So 11 plus 3 makes 14. The correct option is 14. Let's just start with the test questions. 12 plus 5, which is the correct option? So start adding with the ones digit. 5 and 2, 7, and that is 17. The correct option is 17. That is 17. The correct option is 17. That is 12 plus 2, which is the correct option? 14. The correct option is 12 plus 2 makes 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. 12 plus 6, 22 plus 6, which is the correct option? 'That is 28. Start with 22 and count up to 6. So that makes 28. Option number 3 is the correct option. Thirteen plus 5, which is the correct option? That is 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. 13 plus 5 makes 18. 25 plus 2, which is the correct option? 27. The correct option is option number 3, that makes 27. 10 plus 5, which is the correct option? That is 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. 10 plus 5 makes 15. 16 plus 3, which is the correct option? That is 16 plus 3 equals. That is 19. 16 plus 3 makes 19. Thirteen plus 2, which is the correct option? That is 15. The correct option is option number 2, 15 it is. 26 plus 2, which is the correct option? 28 it is. 26 plus 2 makes 28. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is add two digit and a one digit number with regrouping. Let's just start with the test questions. 17 plus 9, which is the correct option. So start with 17 and count up to 9. That is 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 17 plus 9 is 26. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 26. 13 plus 9, which is the correct option. That is 13 plus 9 equals. That is 22. Option number. 17 plus 6, which is the correct option. That is 23. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 15 plus 5. That is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 21. Option number 3 is the correct option. 14 plus 8 is 22. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 14 plus 8 is 22. 19 plus 8, which is the correct option. 27. Option number 2 is the correct option. 16 plus 7, which is the correct option. That is 23. Option number 1 is the correct option. 19 plus 6, which is the correct option. 25 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. 15 plus 8, which is the correct option. That is 23. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is add two-digit numbers without regrouping. Add 87 plus 10. So just write them down one above the other. Start with the ones digit. 7 plus 0 is 7 and 8 plus 1 is 9. That is 97. That's how you can add two digits numbers, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Forty-five plus 31. So let's just write them down one above the other. That is 5 plus 1 is 6. And now add the 10th digit. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the correct option is 76. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 76. 13 plus 86, which is the correct option. 86 plus 13, that is 6 plus 3 is 9, and 8 1 plus 1 is also 9. So that makes 99. Option number 2 is the 3 is the correct option. 41 plus 28, which is the correct option. That is 28 plus 41. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 4 plus 2 is 6. The correct option is 69. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 69. 20 plus 61. That is 61 plus 20. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 6 plus 2 is 8. That is 81. The correct option is 81. Option number 1 is the correct option. 51 plus 48, which is the correct option. That is 51 plus 48. Let's just write them down one above the other. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 5 plus 4 is 9. That makes 99. Option number 3 is the correct option. 87 plus 11, which is the correct option. 98 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we're working on is addition, two digits. The lessons we have covered today are add multiples of 10, add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping, and add two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure you have your notebook and pens. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson we have just finished, you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions. If you have any, you can please write down the questions. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See